Okay. So we got a code 43. Inducer motor's making noise. Inducer motor needs to be replaced. It's a 58 MVC from 2009. Original heat exchanger. Before we put the motor on, I want to double check this heat exchanger. Not looking promising. Not good. Not good at all. We'll see. We'll see. Rusty back there. Yeah, she's done. Let's see. Let me adjust you here. See all that back there? All that. Think up here. No, that's it. It's all right there. It's leaking right there. Oh, crap. Alright, let me get a few pictures. I'm stuck in the furnace here with you. Oh. Okay. Oh, I gotta get out. So those variable speed motors are hard to find right now. So I wanted to double check because he's probably at a new furnace, unfortunately. Let me get it back together. Alright, let's get it back together here. I just wanted to leave it apart in case the customer wanted to see it. Customer said he wasn't in the market for a new furnace. But I don't know if I can get that heat exchanger, or not the heat exchanger, the inducer motor. I do have the inducer motor in stock on a variable speed. That's amazing. People can't get them. Trap was plugged. Exchanger got some water in it because the trap is plugged. Oh man. It's draining. on, and then I gotta go run and get the part, and we'll replace it. Well, I was wrong on that one. Right on the heat exchanger, wrong on the diagnosis. So when I was taking that heat exchanger apart, I noticed that that heat exchanger was filled with water. Okay? And the customer was explaining to me that it sounded like metal in the heat exchanger, or in the inducer motor housing. So I'm assuming, I didn't even start it up, I should have started it up. I'm assuming that it had the wheel that came loose in there. Stuff we see, normal stuff, but usually the guy's up on his maintenance. And I went and got the motor, came back, started taking it apart, and all of a sudden I take the pressure switches off and just water's draining out of the pressure switches. I'm like, oh, I'm wrong. So what I did, drained the pressure switches out, ran it through 3 stages, it ran fine, motor, not a peep. So we didn't change the inducer motor out because that's a very expensive inducer motor. I'm not going to change a part out that it doesn't need to be changed out. Especially that part. So we got them up and running for the time being, but we're going to go back and change the heat exchanger out. What are you going to do? Sometimes you're wrong.
Turn left on St. Andrews.
Sometimes you're wrong, and there ain't nothing you can do about it. Just don't go and change the part without starting it up or doing any further diagnostic. You know, that was my mistake. I didn't start it up. So one more sneeze. All right, guys, you guys know what you need to do. Like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks.